Oh my god, I cannot believe she just did that. Like, that is honestly the first time, as if we were just filming. We have made a rookie mistake. We basically messed up. We don't really know what we're doing. I just have to document this because Tom is actually looking at the manual, which he never does. Did you just saw some of the chili con carne in half with a power tool? Hey guys, welcome back to another behind the scenes. I thought today would be nice to have a little bit of a catch up on Lexi. Just in case you're new, my name is Charlie. I am British. I live in Australia with my husband Tom. We had a baby girl almost 9 months ago now. I cannot believe that she's almost 9 months. And that is why I wanted to do a little behind the scenes catch up video. We're both first time parents, just kind of, you know, learning as we go. Lexi is currently in baby jail. Yes. We've created baby jail. Let me explain. So as I said, she's almost 9 months. She's definitely crawling now, although she's obviously quite content sat where she is at the moment. We just wanted to put this in place for the moment, just while we're kind of finding our feet and while we're baby proofing the house, so that we know that she's in a little safe environment. And to be totally honest, it is also just to contain the toys as well. How you doing there, baby girl? Hey? Yeah, the thing of the week at the moment is picking up 2 items and then banging them together, which she absolutely adores doing. It's actually super warm today, so Tom is not at the workshop because he can't light the forge because of, you know, fire bans and things like that. So he is helping me get some admin done, getting some baby admin done. We are about to put, you can see in the background there, the big car seat in the car. Up to this point, Lexi has been in the capsule, but she's now pretty much too big for the capsule. Just in case you have no idea what I'm talking about, because I didn't really have a clue before I had a bubs, you can have like a travel, just put it down there for a second, you have a travel system where you have like a capsule so that it fits in and out of a base in the car, so you can pick the whole thing up and take the baby with you. So if the baby falls asleep in the car, you can just pick them up and take them out, which is really, really convenient. But she's now too big for that, so now we have to put it into a big car seat. Hey, Tommy Roo. Just in case anyone is new, my God, this is Tom. And this is the car seat we're about to try and install in the car. We don't really know what we're doing, and there is like options to get car seats installed by professionals, but we just figured that it can't be rocket science. I just have to document this because Tom is actually looking at the manual, which he never does. We figured that if we can't do it, then we can always try and get someone else to install it for us, but we could just, there must be like YouTube videos on how to do it or something, right? How complicated does it look?
No, there's nothing on YouTube.
You already looked?
Yeah, I don't think they're allowed to publish.
People aren't allowed, or what, like actual how to do it videos? I never really thought about that, I guess because it's a safety thing. You'd think that the company might have that, but then obviously company probably doesn't do that, because then they're going to lose out on money from all the baby companies that you have to pay to get it installed. Lexi's being very destructive. She's going through a let's throw everything around phase. How easy do you think it's going to be?
Oh, it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah?
Yeah. So the seatbelt goes through.
Oh, okay. I totally just realised that my eyebrows are a little bit wonky. I'm so rubbish at doing eyebrows. Anyhow, we have made a rookie mistake with Lexi. We bought her a little comforter because that was one of the things that helps them sleep. Anyway, we only have the one, and you need to get at least 2 of whatever becomes the baby's comforter, because if there's any chance that it gets lost or something happens to it, you're in trouble if you don't have a backup. So we basically messed up. We don't really know what we're doing. One thing I haven't told you guys is we've actually transitioned Lexi into her cot. Finally, almost 9 months, she is out of our room and in her big cot now. I'm gonna do a nursery, like a full nursery tour very soon on my channel, because I want to show you guys everything. And I think that video is literally gonna be that this is not an Instagram nursery, because it's just not remotely like, you know, perfectly set up like you expect things to be. And she's off. She is off. You see what I mean? Off to get the shark book. That's one of her faves. She loves the shark book. Oh, you're doing such a good demo of your new crawling skills, little one. I have to hide the camera because as soon as she sees the camera, which she has totally seen, she just turns into a different baby. She knows exactly what the camera is about. Obviously, I film absolutely loads of Lexi all the time, but I put it together just as like raw edits for my close friends and family, because obviously I'm not publishing like tons of Lexi on my YouTube channel. I have one card that I use that I put in the camera that's just like raw Lexi, and then I use different cards for when I'm shooting like behind the scenes video to try and organize all of my stuff. And then at the end of the month, I dump all of this onto a timeline and publish it in an unlisted video, so that I can keep it private just for, you know, friends and family. And it's completely unedited. I just literally just put it all together and like top and tail it, and that is it. And even that, it takes a fair amount of time. It's normally like a half an hour, but it's so nice for everyone to like catch up and see what, you know, the progression that Lexi's making. I try and get everything in there that like she's doing, and like new foods she's eating, and she's blowing bubbles in the background there. Ridiculous. It's actually quite like a narrow seat, isn't it?
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
I know it's a narrow version.
Baby in there, cutie.
Pardon?
Keep little baby safe.
I don't mean that. I mean like in the grand scheme of all the car seats we looked at, this is the narrow version of them. Like they do get really wide, and they have like loads of extra like padding on the outside. Padding? That's the wrong word. Like, you know, I don't know, just stuff. Bulkiness to like protect. Looks quite good though, doesn't it?
It's very smart.
It looks really smart. This shark book is definitely the favourite. It's from a Never Touch series. Never touch the sharks, and it's like, you know, a touchy-feely one. And she absolutely adores it. Don't you, baby girl? This is also new. She's trying to pull herself up. That has only happened in the last few days. Little cheeky. Oh yep, and the 2 teeth, you just saw the 2 teeth there. She's got 2 teeth on the top now as well, so she has 4 teeth in total. Lots of things going on with this little miss, aren't there? Yeah, lots of things. You are so close to escaping this, aren't you? You're not going to be in baby jail for very long, are you, Bubs?
You coming outside, Bubba?
To try you in the seat, Bubba.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, she's chilly.
She's chilly. Oh, it's because it's the aircon in here.
Blowing straight on her.
Oh, little one. Let's go and try
Certainly isn't
the car seat out. Look at this little one in a new car seat.
Comfy there, kiddo? You look pretty chilled.
Look at you, cute little one.
She's way more secure in this one.
Yeah.
I guess the other one is for little babies.
Little babies, yeah, and she's now big enough.
Look at her, she's got her arms on the sides like,
No, just hanging out.
let's go for a cruise, mama.
She is a proper little cutie.
Tighten that up. Yeah, it's good and sturdy. Hey?
It's very warm, isn't it, Tommy Roo?
A bit.
A little bit warm.
Not too bad.
What's the next thing on the to-do list to do?
Can't remember. Where is it?
We've done shopping, and we've now done fit the car seat. We've got to mow the lawn. I've got to do some Instagram work for you. I've got to do more labels. I've got to download the trailer for my breastfeeding story. This is all my kind of work, apart from obviously mow the lawn, but yeah, I'm going to do that until it's a little
Oh, I
less
could do it now, it's alright.
warm.
What? Baby down? Yeah, up against it. What are you trying to do?
Go.
The garden or something.
Oh, it's a bit warm out there, Bubba.
Ball pit?
Ball pit? Ball pit. Do you want to go in the ball pit? This behind the scenes is definitely not for anyone that isn't interested in a little Lexi update, because this is pretty much Lexi is the star of the show. She's like, camera and smile. She just loves it. Ooh. She's like, she doesn't know what to make of that. She's like, no. lunge for the camera. What I'm filming right now is very similar to what I actually film like on a daily basis as little updates for my family. I just can't wait for everyone to meet her. It's just like she's almost 1 year old. Almost 1, and still my family have not met her. That little smile. You little cheeky one. You guys are gonna have to drop me a comment if you think that she looks like either me or Tommy Roo, because I can't see either of us just yet. Everyone seems to think she looks like Tom. What do you think, Tommy Roo?
I'm not sure, I can't say.
Yeah, you don't.
I can't.
You can't see.
What am I trying to say?
You can't see whether she looks. You can't see yourself. No.
Can't tell you.
She's still only tiny, but not for long.
Yeah, you little growing babies, aren't you? Yeah, get the ball. Ball pit, that's fun. Yeah, go Mama!
Yeah, she's
straight up.
Oh my God, she's totally standing.
You're gonna be running around, bird.
Oh my God, I cannot believe she just did that. Like, that is honestly the first time, as if we were just filming this little update on how she's doing, and she just started standing on her own. I just got home from Pump, had a shower. Tom is cooking the dinner. We are having loaded potato skins with crispy bacon, and we need a vegetable, Tom. I need to have a vegetable with this. What can we have? Maybe some like spinach, well, I mean silver beet. Like on the side.
Yeah.
Have to eat. It has to be something healthy, you know. In fact, this is out of all of our meal plans. If you haven't been watching my channel, I'll just quickly explain. In order to cut out some of the decisions in our lives, we have started doing microwave. We have started doing meal plans. So I was on schedule for earlier. I had my Caesar salad and we're having loaded potato skins. This is an attempt to stop having so many micro decisions in your life, because it just wears you out having to make choices. It's like, what do you want for dinner? I don't know. What do you want for dinner? I don't know. What do you want for dinner? And so we just decided to get rid of that and just make meal plans. And you can be more organized when you're shopping as well. What do you want for dinner, baby girl?
I want the booby.
She just wants milk. Oh. And to grab the hair. She is obsessed with hair. Ow, that really quite hurts. What is that, baby girl? What do you want for dinner, baby girl? What do you want for dinner? Are you gonna have some bolognese? Some bolognese and vegetables. That's her favorite at the moment. That's her go-to food. She loves bolognese and vegetables. Don't you, little one? Tom, did you just saw some of the chili con carne?
Did I what?
Did you just saw some of the chili con carne in half with a power tool?
Yeah, well, it's better than doing it with a handsaw.
Oh, it's a bit dark there. Oh, okay, so you just wanted a piece.
Yeah.
Nice work.
If anyone asks you to cut a bean in half with a reciprocating saw, perfect.
These are our toppings of choice. Obviously, baked beans, some mozzarella cheese. I'm switching out the sour cream for Greek yogurt, crispy bacon, and some silver beet. Yum! And Tom is putting, as you've just seen, some chili con carne on his. Then we've got to feed Bubs some food as well. Bubs needs some dinner. She just had lots of milk, but she also needs some food too.
Take some food out for her?
Yes. Let's take some food out for the Bubs. We're currently doing a system of cubes that we've obviously, well, they're really hard to get into, aren't they? What's that one? That's carrot.
Yeah.
Carrot. So we mix carrot with some bolognese. We basically home make all of this stuff and then put it into little trays and then freeze it in these little silicone pouches. Done. So that is going to be Bubs' food.
Ooh, what an idea.
Have we done a thumbnail for this video? I don't know. I hate doing thumbnails. It's the worst part of making videos. I wish I could just get someone else to do all the thumbnails and descriptions and titles and all that palaver, because it's crap. Anyway.
That's how they get spammed.
Get spammed? What will I get spammed with?
People trying to sell their services.
Oh, I don't have enough people watch these videos for that, Tommy. Tom is about to go fishing. Kind of random, impromptu, late night fishing session. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little behind the scenes, little update of little Miss Alexis Riley here. She now has hiccups. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button. It really helps me out. Come chat to me in the comments. I love chatting to you guys, and we will see you soon.